Alright guys, so I'm just going to weld in some bars. Don't think there's any need to do any crossbars in here, just in case I have to do something with the transmission tunnel a little bit later if I'm going to have one. But for now, I'm going to put in a sheet of plywood here and maybe do some fiberglassing today. Alright, so we got our floor in here. Got it cut so it fits in the doors, kind of like in an angle or whatever. But if you're thinking this looks a little thin, it's going to be covered in fiberglass, like this stuff here. So it's probably good, like 1/4 inch of fiberglass on there. So we'll just keep trucking with it. And then I'm not too sure about doing this front setup yet until I get the engine in the frame, because there's definitely probably going to be some bell housing coming through there. So. But yeah, we'll get this set up here and get her tacked down. Alright, now that we got her attached down, everything seems to still be fitting good, closing good. So, the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's see what I got for a seat. And ta-da! Old boat seats. Now, they can be recovered, so don't let the white and black fool you. But they fit tight. Like, they are just absolutely as tight as they can go. And just about as thick as you want them too. So, but when you sit in them, you got lots of room and stuff, so should be good. So the main thing when you're test fitting hot rod seats is the arm out the window test. And if your arm is nice and level, probably a good seat position. Not doing the gangster lean or anything. It's just nice, comfortable. That's where you sit. I don't think I'm even going to bother putting in the seat tracks or anything. I'm just going to bolt them straight down. It'll be one size fits me. So, I mean, you got a good seating position. Your legs are as far out forward as you want them. Nice and comfy on the brake. So that should work okay. Mind you too, this pedal, that's the old mechanical brakes off the Model A, so that's getting deleted. And then I'm gonna put a master cylinder that comes through the firewall, so your actual brake will be a little bit more up here, as well as your gas pedal should be right here. And hopefully I can get that motor down enough that I don't have to come up with a trans hump, because I really don't want to drive my car like this. So if that is the case though too, I can move the seats way back. We still got quite a bit of room behind them, so they could come back all this way yet. So but I kind of like them here. So, but I'll wait to get everything in and kind of test fit where the pedals are before I mount the seats. But it's nice to kind of have some floor in it and get an idea. Also picked this up out of the part stash. That's an original kick panel. I don't know if I'll be able to use it, but we'll see. She's got a pretty big crack in it. She's almost cracked in half right here, but hopefully I can. Alright, so here's your first layer of glass. What I usually like to do is I'll run a strip in just so I don't get any sags and any crevices. And then what I did here is I fiberglassed the bottom of the door jamb here, or whatever you call it, up to here. So this is all one piece now. So, and then I'll put a couple more layers on it and it'll firm it up. And then that way it's attached to it, eh? And then I put some fiberglass in the corners and stuff. And then same thing on this side. You got your layer of fiberglass, boxing it down to the sill or whatever you call it. So everything should be nice and kind of tight in there now. So yeah. All right, while that stuff's drying, won't be doing any more so I don't get it all over the place. But that'll be it for today's video. So remember guys, like, share, subscribe. Most of all, stay tuned.
Ba-da-ba.